very fine company which is called Wuxi Shuangti stainless steel.
Shuangti is a professional manufacturer of stainless steel products that integrates research and development, processing, production, and sales. Here is our office. First, we are going to visit our automatic stainless steel pipe production line. Now let's take a look at the service of this pipe. Like this kind of pipe is mainly used in the construction, chemical, or decoration industry. Shuangti mainly produce materials such as 201, 304, 316L, 2205, 310S, and so on. And we will also have complete specifications. Now we can see here are our packed finished stainless steel pipes. We are going to deliver them to South Africa today.
Now behind me is our laser cutting equipment.
It mainly used for cutting and drilling. On my right side is our hot roll stainless steel coils. We can produce thickness from 3 mm to 16 mm. This is our automatic stainless steel slitting machine. The lengths can be customized according to customers' requirements. Our standing stock is sufficient, the customized production is fast, and the delivery is timely. And these are cold rolled stainless steel coils. Now let's visit our stainless steel on-coil machine. Each sheet is rolled and open flat like this. There's a layer of protective paper in the middle of each board to prevent scratching the surface when the board comes down. We usually keep around 10 tons of boards on a wooden pallet for storage. These are our finished stainless steel plates. Let's take a closer look at them. Our packages are all waterproof. This is our oil-filled wide drawing machine. We can produce stainless steel plates with number 4 hairline and SB service, which are widely used in kitchen suppliers, elevators, refrigerators, decoration, and so on. Next, let's visit our round stainless steel tube warehouse. Now we can see here is our square stainless steel tube warehouse. Let's take a closer look at the quality of these finished stainless steel products.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.